From day one, I was taking a physical exam on a cow, and being able to really get that hands-on learning is one of my favorite parts about this course.
So many different species of animals, like from snakes to chinchillas to like horses, and you get experience with all of them in first year.
Across both our veterinary and nursing degree programmes, learning those hands-on practical skills is so important. What we try and do is deliver our teaching in a way that suits lots of different students to learn in the way that suits them the best.
The wet lab here gives us a space to do dissections and learn about the animals' bodies in a different way rather than just through lectures.
We also get to do a lot of practical classes, so communication classes, working on our communication skills with clients so that we're really prepared for when we graduate, not only the animal aspect of it, but also the human aspect of it as well. It's such an important part of veterinary medicine.
So University of Bristol, not only being one of the top 20 universities for veterinary in the world, is one of the only universities in the UK that has its own in-campus abattoir. And especially during your pathology rotations or lectures, this becomes an extremely good opportunity for students to get hands-on learning.
Research-led teaching is really important at the school. We have a lot of researchers housed in the school, and almost all of their teaching is continually updated with their own research findings. A lot of that research comes from our own labs, a lot of it comes from other research communities around the world.
A Bristol veterinary degree or a Bristol veterinary nursing degree sets you up really well in your chosen profession. Our veterinary surgeons, most of them will choose to go into primary care practice in whatever their key species of interests are when they first graduate. Others will go straight into research training positions. Some will go into government work, policy development, public health type work. So huge range of careers, locally, nationally, internationally.
It's also recently AVMA accredited, allowing students to practice in many states in America, and other certifications which allow students to practice like in Australia, nearly in every corner of this world.
Apart from a really novel, exciting hands-on curriculum, I think the one thing that I really pride Bristol on is the fact that we really look after students.
It's a really supportive environment. The staff are really committed to wanting the best for the students, and we work very closely with the students to find out what that is.
I've just had such a great time here and can speak nothing but good things about Bristol just because I've had such a great time.